Country people, would they live now? They don't move Nnamdi Kanu from court now. They just move and now. And as I see for this live video, the security personnel, they follow the Nnamdi Kanu car. We carry and come out now. They come out for this place. They just move and now. Split seconds ago, now they move Nnamdi Kanu come out from court. Okay, country people, as they don't move Nnamdi Kanu come out from court, so Justice Binta Nyako don't adjourn the case to November 10. So now November 10, 2021, now they go continue hearing of the Nnamdi Kanu trial for the Federal High Court Abuja. As they tell them before, they don't move Nnamdi Kanu come out from court, and all the security people they go. That one be say the trial for today don't finish. So Justice Binta Nyako, where they in charge of the case, don't adjourn the case to November 10, 2021. So now for November 10, now we go come back here, people go come back here to come continue the Nnamdi Kanu trial. So now the updates where we just get from inside of the Federal High Court. As I tell you before, moments ago, now they move Nnamdi Kanu come out from court. That one means the trial for today don't end, and Justice Binta Nyako adjourn the case, the hearing, to November 10, 2021. And I see as the security people don't declare road. All of them don't clear road already.
Don't prevent that. They're not calling us because I don't want to. Your friend is coming. Don't lean on the back of it. Are you ready? Let's start with them, finish with them before they.
Are we set? Oh yeah, let's go. It's already.
I am Chief Godwin Wazurike. I'm a lawyer. And this is the Ezib of Abuja. Igbo 1. We are here representing Ohanese. We were here the last time.
Many people will not get this shot. Let us arrange ourselves.
We were here.
Sorry, sir. Let's arrange ourselves. Because many people are not getting this shot. No, I don't say because we are getting it.
We're not pressing it from the back.
Can we start? Can we start?
Go on.
We are the representatives of Ohanese Igbo. The Professor Biozo led group directed us to come over here and be present in court and see what is going on. The last time this matter came up, we were there and we announced our appearance. Today, DSS stopped us from appearing here today. DSS stopped the Ohanese delegation. So our legal team could not even attend. We were kept outside. And as far as we are concerned, this is a secret trial. It's a deliberate ploy to stop us from taking part in this trial. And we, Ohanese, we condemn it totally. This is a constitutional democracy and the judiciary must be independent. We say without any fear of contradiction that the DSS has usurped the judiciary. This is not a fair trial, and I say so without any fear of contradiction.
Thank you. Sir. Oh yeah, please.
Chief Godwin Wazurike, I'm a lawyer.
His Royal Highness.
Please sign your phone.
His Royal Highness.
Since I can't have like this. People, the lead counsel, don't they come down? Don't they come down?
Who are you dragging like that? Who are you talking to like that? Who are you? Who is this? Why are you shouting? It's okay. You are okay where you are. You are not okay there. We are not okay there. Are you the only one? Okay. It's okay. Are you the only one? You are not okay there. He needs to be elevated.
Sir, no, the microphone will not get to him.
Why did I come close? Go down now. Go down now. Don't block. Why you entering now? You are blocking people now. What's that? Stop.
Can we pray?
Let's pray. There are too many.
No, we are many. Go to this side.
We can do two back. We can do two back. We can cross into two. Yeah. Let's divide ourselves into two.
Go back.
I'm coming. Arrange yourself.
No,
go back.
Move backwards, please. Are we ready? We are not ready.
Remove your camera now. Who is that? You're on your own.
This is so nice. You're
telling me what? If you point me again, I'll slap you for telling me that. How can you put time on me? I want to bend down to hold my decision.
Are you slapping me?
I can't tell you that. I'm not seeing anything. One of you can hold the microphone for the other person. Okay. Simple. You're telling me nonsense.
Where?
Okay, you can go.
Actually, my hands are full. The matter came up today for commencement of trial. And,
Bring your hand down. Bring your hand down.
The Attorney General Federation served us with amended charge, some count charge. Yesterday, because they want to serve us on 14th of October. They amended it again. But they are, so they served us amended charge yesterday.
I bet we'll get this phone now.
But after studying the charge, we come to a conclusion that the charge is worthless and empty. So we have filed an application challenging the competency of the charge and the jurisdiction of the court to continue hearing this case. So, and today, our client took plea to the 7-count amended charge. And matter now adjourned to 10th of November for hearing of application challenging the competence and jurisdiction of the court to hear the case. Because we are of the firm view, that the 7-count offense charge to file against our client did not disclose any offense. So I can't see where somebody will sneeze in London and it become an offense triable in this country. Most of the counts we are founded on non-existing law, So, and I don't want to dive into the substance of application before the court on this on that note. So, and of course, you see, it was in court today, and so, and we believe that justice should prevail in the end. So, that's all that has happened today in court, and he has gone. So, we're coming back on 10th of November to hear this application because we insist that that application will be in line with the procedural law. That application will be first heard and disposed of. An application challenging the competence of the charge. And when considering the affirmative, that is the end of the case. And so, because we are challenging the 7-count amended charge. So once the court hear it and rule in our favor, that's the end of the case, and we walk out the court from court a free person.
What about the custody?
So we also have an actually we applied for him to be transferred to Nigeria Correctional Center today, but the court said for security reasons, they want him to still be at the DSS facility for now. So that's what it said. For his own security, that's what it said. So, and we adjourned the matter to 10th of November for hearing of application. PLO, we call it preliminary objection. This is a preliminary objection we had on the 10th. So it's not coming up for any for trial because that objection will first of all be heard and ruled upon before taking further steps. Thank you so much.
This is the first time we have seen Nnamdi Kanu after a long while. What do you say about the status?
And they understand we, again, as what I want to avoid resist the temptation of diving into the substantive action application before the court. You understand the manner in which she was kidnapped in Kenya, adopted, and consequently extraordinary rendition to Nigeria. This formed part of our ground objection. Apart from the fact we are challenging the competence of the charge, the worthless nature of the charge they file against us, so against our client. So we also
invite the court to take note of the fact that the manner in which she was also kidnapped and extraordinary rendition to Nigeria. So the system cannot also benefit from their own wrong. So I don't want to go into the substantive application before the court.
Journalists, your full name is start from covering the trial. So can we have an idea about these charges that have been referred against your client?
Well, the charge is simple. I don't think it's worthy of mentioning because it's worthless. So it's worthless as I'm concerned because all the someone can charge has no base in law. You can't file a charge that has no the facts or proof evidence has no connection with the charge before the court. So I don't want to give it by mentioning this charge before you means I am giving it credence. Thank you. However, I also mentioned to the court the fact that journalists were prevented from participating in the proceedings, and lawyers too, and I also registered our displeasure of the defense team because people should also be part of the process proceedings and also tell the world exactly how it went and what you saw in court. So I believe it can happen. Let's adjourn day. I believe so.
Your full name, please.
My name is Darisa Fine. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
Country people, and I don't hear the lead counsel of Nnamdi Kanu don't talk as the court process go. So, to summarize some of the things where you talk. To summarize some of the things where you talk say you know would like to disclose some of the details where. You know, would like to disclose some of the details to the press for now, but the Coco will say they will come back they will come back on November 10th, will be the adjourned date for the hearing of this matter. He even talks say the 7-count charges where federal government they charge Nnamdi Kanu for say the thing no get substance. Now so in talk. So when they come back on November 10th, the matter will continue. But in talk say in request make they keep Nnamdi Kanu for Kuje Correctional Center where they for Abuja, but according to them, they talk say for security reasons, Nnamdi Kanu will still there for DSS custody for now, for his own safety and for his own security. So they no go fit keep him for the Kuje Correctional Center where they for Abuja. People, so we see the matter today as it happened for Nnamdi Kanu trial for Federal High Court.
I don't want to talk to that guy. I didn't look for it. Something like that.
So for the people now, the Federal High Court premises with this way that we not allow people. And for the people, this time we simply doing a day live for outside of the Federal High Court, where supporters of the Nnamdi Kanu and they celebrate. That's why they are outside of the Federal High Court. celebrate, then they chant. Now they full of this place. Different groups. Outside of the Federal High Court. Country people now see as they gather for here, supporters of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gather for here, and from what I see so for this live video, the lead counsel who will address them in the